We got quite good craft because we can use it open and it's just a little bit of smoke coming in. So, no problems. The wood stove install is ready and we can just enjoy. It's pretty comfy out here, and we have been now using the stove for 2 days and it's in best.
We love it.
We love it. It's the best thing that we can have in a van.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I think the approximate output of the stove is approximately 1.6 kilowatts. This side of van is plus 23 and outside is below freezing.
Yeah.
But the other side of the van is pretty cold.
Yeah, it's a chilly.
Yeah, so I think it's less than 2 kilowatts that is bringing us the heat, but from here it's really cozy.
But also this guy is going to lower our heating bill because the propane is really expensive in Finland and wood is basically free. So
yeah,
with these both,
I think it's maybe half priced compared to LPG.
Yeah,
the wood price, and we can get the like scrap food everywhere. Yeah. So it's not a problem, I think, in the future.
But we can buy the small bags also.
We thought this thing, I think, over 6 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, during our trip we thought that yeah, wood stove would be cool, so cool. We saw a couple of YouTube videos about the wood stoves in the vans, and then we thought like, yeah, we had actually place to it here. And this installation has been done by really strict Finnish regulations. Yeah. So every safety limit in each side is okay. We have been really enjoying the stove and we will be enjoying it, and it will be the best thing about the WOW van in the future. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was a bit scary to do the installation, all the big holes to the roof and tearing apart this cupboard here and everything, so it was really scary, but after we have done the installation, it's pretty straightforward, and I think we made a really good job.
Yeah, I'm pleased.
Yeah.
Because this isn't like the cheapest and oldest one where you can get really experimental. We actually live in this thing, and this is somewhat new, so also that part can be kind of scary.
Yeah, but it's really nice. Here in bed you can like feel the heat coming from the stove,
and we can be other way around when we went to see the live fire. So
yeah, but I can show you. Here's our wood pile. So it uses 1/3 of the normal logs. We saw them like this sized. This is perfect, so it fits inside the stove. Yeah. Some insulation is still on progress, so there is gonna be a grill that is blocking all the green stuff from there, and also we are putting door here, so there will be a door that closes, but it's in the future someday. And also we have to install metal plate on the front of the stove for the Finnish regulations, so it's 45 centimeters. In the front of the stove has to be metal plate. If there's some embers that burst from the comes from the stove and drop to the floor, it doesn't melt or doesn't happen anything. So we are putting metal plate over here and metal plate on the floor. We don't have any other heating at the moment, just the stove, and it's below freezing outside, and I can be with t-shirt, and Dina loves it. Yeah. Yes, best thing.
2 thumbs up. Cubic mini wood stove. Great product. And cost of it, this was on sale, so it was about 500
400 euros, I think.
Yeah, and we have to of course pay the shipping and extra taxes, and these things cost so much. But I think about 1,000
euros with all the installation kits that we have, all the plates, all the tools, and we had to buy 1,000 euros.
Yeah. You can do it cheaper if you don't, but we are we wanted to do it this way, and a friend gave the old sauna plate to us, so those things cost a lot of money, so we were lucky. We are so lucky to have such a great people in our lives. So
yes.
Take care that we are not freezing here.
So, test number 3000 to make food on a wood stove. Let's see how this works. It might work. So with bread, you can always have some tea.
We came to this area in
Helsinki.
east of Helsinki, and there's a huge dog park, and you can probably hear the barking dogs outside.
Yes, just lighting up the fire and then enjoying the fire again.
We have a fire, and soon we have a lunch. Lunch for ourselves.
Yes.
We are making our favorite cuisine. Mexican food, this time kidney beans. And also our favorite ingredients, avocado and tomato and feta salad.
Yum.
Yeah. This is big parking lot, and we can easily use our wood stove here, so no one's get bothered by the smoke. It doesn't smoke that bad, but maybe if you are in the front of somebody's house or something.
Yeah, it smells a bit, but you cannot even see the smoke.
Yeah. So
that's our evening plan.
Yeah, we are going to spend a night in here. And also today is a historical moment in our country. Today our government made a decision that they can sell a bit higher alcohol beverages in the supermarket.
So 5.5% alcohol is sold in the markets.
Yeah.
And last year it was 4.7. So 0.8 more.
Before this we had to go to the Systembolaget alcohol monopoly. Our government wants to regulate the alcohol use, so it's not free marketing, but baby steps.
Maybe
hopefully someday we get wines in the supermarkets.
I think in 2042 maybe.
That fast.
Yeah.
Okay, you are optimistic. This is really good, hot cayenne. Our dogs hate the cold weather.
Dino hates this most. Dino, let's go out.
They need to wear the socks and they hate them.
Yeah. As you can see from Pulla's face, these socks are not the favorite ones.
Dino.
But the Dino is the saddest.
Saddest thing ever.
Tänne.
Poor
Dino. Joo. Tänne. No niin.